So Josh, when you're designing the future EV product and you talk about something of the battery, to me, it seems a couple of new issues potentially come up as well. Like if you pay for the replacement of the battery, do you own the battery you're replacing? I mean, supposedly the EV vehicle's battery, even if they're not going to be suitable for the car, would have a secondary market value, right? So traditionally, we've not had to worry about that, right? But do you see where that battery pack has value, even if that you as the owner of the administrator would try and capture that value on the used product?
We honestly haven't gone down that path. I think we've at this point treated that like any other kind of part that would be replaced in the vehicle at this point. It certainly is an interesting, kind of scenario you're talking about, because if you have a beat up water pump, you might not have any value in there where you can sell it somehow. So yeah, I mean, I don't know who ultimately owns it, but I think it's not something we've honestly planned or designed for. I think we've just said, listen, you know what, if there's failure and it's covered by the OEM still, and there's some lengthy, coverages by the OEMs that they have on these 8100s or 80,000. I mean, there's different versions of that, but we when we've written kind of our coverages and inclusions, I think we've just said, listen, it's a part, and a costly one for that matter, but when it needs to get replaced, we'll authorize it if it's got the appropriate failure points, and we haven't gone down that path.
Well, as this is all new, right? I mean, and to me, it depends upon making sure we can have the economics that make this service contract affordable, and good for the dealer, right? So I don't know, we're investing a lot. I mean, we actually now have the ability to actually order traditional engines right in our software and have them delivered as replacements. We're trying to figure out if there's places to work with to do the same thing in EVs, and we're told really there aren't suppliers yet. But it takes us years to develop the software, right? So we're trying to look at the trends, right? But it seems to me that when we do a battery replacement, there's going to be value in that. But without all the technology to manage it, who can do it?